I'm really pleased to announce that I was able to hook up with Dave Andrade. He's a colorist filmmaker. He runs the Post Color Blog YouTube channel and the Post Color Blog Facebook group. He's all about color grading and color correction. I was able to hook up with Dave, and he put a lot of time and effort into creating a very basic 101 course on color correction and color grading called The Basics of Color Correction and Color Grading. He goes through a module of color correction and grading. He goes through the best camera practices, software organization, and proxies. And if you don't know what that is, he'll explain that to you when you need to and not use those. He goes through the various tools and an interesting question, these various tools and do you need them? He covers dealing with skin color, color matching shot, various locations, and LUTs. LUTs are sometimes a mysterious thing to new and beginning filmmakers. He totally goes through that and explains that. In the final lecture, he has a live color grading and color correction session that shows him doing this as he explains it all for about 40 minutes. Dave spent a lot of time on this course to keep it really basic because he, like he loves new and beginning filmmakers, and he knows that they run into problems like, what are these different things? For instance, color correction and color grading. It would be about a $49 course. Dave pushed it down to $19. I know, I keep investing in things that return nothing or take money out of my pocket, but hey, you know what? So what? Check it out. That limited time offer, $19, it will go away. It's going to be offered to people at the university. In fact, it already has. On my YouTube channel, my social media channels. Dave will post it on his YouTube channel and his Post Color Blog Facebook group. If you want to know the basics of color correction and color grading, go check Dave's course out. I think you'll enjoy it. I'm honored to host it, and I'm really glad he hooked up with me and was able to produce this. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.